Binance have actually said they are in charge. Oh yes, Binance are in charge of Teuna Classic returning to where we want to see it, returning to 1 cent, returning to 5 cents, returning to 10 cents. Binance are in charge. Even just recently, you can see that the community also chose Binance owner to be in charge of helping Binance. Binance has been in charge of Teuna Classic for months. Yes, Binance have come out to still continue supporting. They've come out to say, look, we are in charge. We keep on showing great concern. We keep on helping, keep on supporting LUNC because they believe that this coin definitely in the nearest future will be a coin for the people. Once again, coin people will still trust, although a lot of people actually lost their trust on Luna. But by the time people start making huge profit again, a lot of people will rush back to Teuna Classic. Just what happened to Coin. Mainly it was launched a few months ago because the coin was doing well, it was rising, it was pumping. You see people rushed to invest. The huge amount of money that was pumped into Coin saw the coin climb up and became among the top 60 coins with the highest market cap. Then the market cap almost hit over $700 million. You see? So the most important thing here is people will not remember the history. People will not remember the fall. People will not remember how Teuna Classic dropped from almost $120 down to 0.003. It's trading with about 3 zeros. The only thing people will remember is what the coin is doing well, what the coin is rising, what the coin is pumping. Then people will put in money because they want to make profit. Every investor, every trader, every business owner, every company wants to make money. So once you have a means that you can make money, definitely they will not be looking at what is really going on. What they want to know is that so far they are very certain, they are very sure they will make profits. They will bring in income, okay? They will bring in gains. People don't mind. They will keep on investing because they are after the end means, which is profit. That same thing goes for Teuna Classic. That is what Binance believe, that if we keep on supporting, keep on pushing, that this coin, when it starts rising, so many people, even some people that left the coin so many months ago, will definitely want to come back. They definitely want to buy it again. This time around, they will buy it at a cheaper price. They will have a lot of coins and they want to see it increasing or deleting some zeros, then making more profit. So, but the most important thing right now is for the coin to start doing well. That is a major problem. That is a major plan, to see the coin start rising, start pumping, then leave the rest. See how people will rush, see how people will fool, see how people will want to invest and buy Teuna Classic. And you might see Teuna Classic climbing up back again to top 30 or top 25 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Let's hope for the best. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for watching.